Hey folks, how you doing today? So recently I got really lucky and I've never seen one of these shoe shine stands. I think this is a pretty rare one. Never seen one before, but this had to have been made. It did not have a maker's name on it, but it had to be made by Koken, Padar, and Theo A. Koch, something like this. This is a full cast iron chair that had porcelain on it, just like a barber chair. Same as the barber chair. We brought it in, knocked it completely down. We sent all the porcelain out for sandblasting. We sent all of the plating out to be chrome plated. We took it to our paint shop. We put the finest car paint you can buy on it. We took the upholstery, sent it to our upholsterer. No expense spared there on the finest leather. And then like we've done on our other chairs, this seems to be just a fabulous color combination. They kind of just come and go. This black with a very dark green pinstriping, which was a really cool. We don't over pinstripe stuff. We like it real nice and clean, just like it would have been from the factory. Once again, this is a solid cast iron chair. As you see, this is where you would step up. We did a little something different. You know, our typical chairs are gloss black with a dark green pinstriping. I went with the same theme, but I did add some gold, which you're gonna see in the stills. Okay, this thing is super cool. This is a sheet metal box down here, and you'd think, see, this thing is like, boom, this is good. So what we did with the sheet metal box is we did a nice wood grain with a clear coat over it. When I received the chair, it had all these goodies in it. As you see, here's the box for all the shine stuff. Okay, nice new rubber. As you see, shoe shine's 10 cents. Okay, but now I'm going to show you the really cool part about this chair. So once the client sat up there, the shine guy would pull these forward, lock them in. Is that cool? They're all chrome. Now he would give the man a shine, and then when he was finished, they're spring loaded, okay? It's got a circular spring loaded device back here that allows these to be. How cool is that? I just love this chair. I've never seen one before, and all the people I talk to also have never seen one. It's just super, super cool. All done in chrome and black, finest leather, pinstripe. You'll see it in the stills. Great shoe shine chair. You get this, you're gonna have the only one maybe in existence. I don't know if you can find another. And if you do have one, let me know. I want to buy it. Anyway, it's ready to go. I just listed this morning. This would be a beautiful matching set with barber shoe shine. So we're trying to keep these in stock. This one, I don't ever expect to see another one, but there is a nice set here today. Anyway, thanks for watching our videos. Keep watching, we're coming up with the good stuff. I got some really nice stuff coming out of the shop as well that's different than this, but great stuff. Anyway, thanks a lot.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.